One last day, one last video. Okay, so we've talked about making cookies. We've talked about Santa and getting photos. We've talked about the raffle baskets, which should be pretty freaking cool. We've also talked about how this event is going to be something that you, your friends, your family, your pets, anybody in Terre Haute can just come on down to. Really, it's going to be fun. It's going to be festive. But let me tell you one more thing. If you like those videos, you're more than likely going to like this even more. So, at 5 o'clock, not 4, at 5, there's going to be a theatrical play done by moi and a friend of mine, Charles James Adams. You might recognize him. He does several things around town. He's been on television. We won't go too far into it. But this play that we've created for you, for this community, it's called Holly and Jolly's Christmas Carols. We're going to perform it right here in front of this log cabin. Is this not a better place? Now, this play that we've made discusses the origins of some of your favorite Christmas carols. It's going to be funny, it's going to be wacky, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Now, the tickets to that play is a free raffle basket. It's a free thing, and you have a chance to win. So why not come? You're guaranteed to smile, if not anything else. Now, before I get too much into anything else, I want to give a special welcome and a special thank you to someone that's beloved to all of us, our dear Dr. Pat. I want to tell you how thankful we are to be able to bring this event to the families and to anybody who's just looking to give back to their community. Because I don't know someone who does not give back as much as you. And that really means a lot to me. I know it means a lot to us at Heritage, so please come and celebrate with us. Come smile, come laugh, and come have some holiday cheer, and we will more than happy share that with you. So please, come tomorrow. Starts at 2, it goes till 6, and that play, it's at 5.
Yep. See everybody tomorrow.